5th grade and I did a robot mechanical course from Roboprenr. I built this raw material transporter which transports materials from the ground floor to the first floor in a working situation. How it works is first you put whatever raw material you want into it, for example screws and bolts, and when you press the button it goes up to the second floor and it drops it all there, and the people from the top can put something in there, and if you press the other button it goes back down. Thank you.